In today's lesson, you're going to predict the future and use what you know about words to complete a listening activity. Today's listening activity is a little bit different from the ones you have done before. You are going to hear a speaker read this text, but some of the words are missing. So, when you listen to the audio, you have to complete the missing words. Now, this might be a little bit difficult because there are a lot of words that are missing, and you won't have a lot of time to write the answers. But don't worry, I'm here to come to your rescue, and I'm going to give you some tips to help you do these kind of exercises better. The first thing you should do is read the whole text. Yes, I said read the whole text. This will make the activity much easier for you when you do the listening part. What you need to do is read through the text and try to predict what kind of word is going to be the answer. Let's do an example. The first sentence says, around blah blah blah, people visit Yellowstone National Park every year. When I say predict what kind of word, we need to decide if the answer is going to be a noun, a verb, or even a number. In this sentence, we are clearly talking about people who visit a park, and it's pretty common to know the number of people that visit a park, so the answer is most likely a number. For now, you could write number in the gap to help you remember. The second sentence says, there are many activities for visitors such as blah blah blah, hiking and fishing. You don't need to say blah 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 when you do the exercise, but maybe it will help you. In this sentence, the gap is clearly part of a list. The other items in the list are hiking and fishing. But these are activities. Activities are normally nouns, so the answer that we're going to hear later in the audio is probably a noun. After you have predicted what kind of words you're going to hear, you're ready to do the listening part of the exercise. Remember, the listening part is going to be someone reading this text. The first time you listen, you might not get all of the words, and that's okay. Just write the answers that you remember. Then, the second time that you listen, you can check your answers to see if they are correct. But wait, there's one more tip I should tell you. In an exam situation, you have to be really careful with how you write the words. You only get points if you write all of the words correctly. So, spelling is really important. What you should do is, after you finish listening to the audio the second time, you should go back and take a look at your answers and double check your spelling. This will help you get more points in a future exam that you might take. For example, in the second space, there is a very big and very obvious spelling error. What is the error and how do you correct this word? I'll give you a moment to think about it. If you said that there is a missing letter in this word, that is correct. You spell camping C-A-M-P-I-N-G. So the word was missing an I. And you should do this for all the other words and numbers that you write. Now, go ahead and complete exercise 9. Good luck!